So to summarize our event today, we talked about sensory and multi-cell for sensory. We talked about the cooling by menthol. We have other ways to do cooling, as you know. And the benefits for us are the following. First of all, before we even consider consumer benefits, is manufacturer benefits. And this is a way to transfer liquid into powder. So we stop having flammable, but we have powder. Powder is easy to handle. You can easily dilute it compared to liquid, okay? And you can get a longer shelf life of the product. Now, extended shelf life is major key, either for manufacturer who may not produce all the batches at once and want to get a better price by ordering a larger volume. So this is a nice way to buy a larger volume and keep it in stock, and then gradually use it and enjoy the fact that you have it in your inventory. So it's extend the shelf life and extend the stability of the product, and it overall intensifies the sensation, either on the skin, on the scalp, whatever it is. And another feature is the release on demand. What does it mean deeply? Is that you are saying to your customer that the ultimate customer has a control when it will be released. So you release it as your body moisture releases the sebum. The sebum, the sweat, contains some water, and that will activate the release. It's kind of magical thing for many people to believe that they can put it on and they can experience it the whole day, because the whole day we perspire, we move from places to places, sometimes out of the car, out of the office, and that's definitely extend the evaporation, the perspiration, and the release. So we saw from many consumer testing that people like this benefit. So with all this in your hands, all that you need to know is who could use it, and take samples with you, like the multi-cell menthol. Get samples of multi-cell fragrance and cooling, multi-cell flavor and cooling. Get all this fragrance in your hands and present it, and slowly allow your prospect to experience it by visually first, then smell it, then expose it to moisture and let him smell it. And it's all in your hands. That's what you need. You need these tiny beads. With these tiny beads, you can sell millions of dollars. In addition to this, we give you these two lip balms. One of them has lip vantage. We'll talk about this next time. This lip balm is using a multi-cell with flavor and a multi-cell sweetener. Why sweetener? Because the sweet, either with sucralose or other sweetener, extend the experience of the flavor. Sometimes you have flavor, but you cannot perceive it. But you put a little bit of sweet, that will intensify the flavor sensation. The same thing that you use with salt, with pepper. All these are exciting the flavor bulbs, and you can feel it, experience it for longer. So combine this excitement and show it, because you have a tremendous opportunity with these technologies to change the marketplace from just using flavor and fragrances into using more sophisticated product that gives a benefit for everybody along the chain.